Hello there, in this video you're going to learn how to translate because in Dutch. There are three ways to translate because, and that's door, want and omdat. So let's take door first. Let's see an example. Door mijn autoproblemen kom ik te laat. Because of my car troubles, I come too late. I'll be late on the meeting or something like that. All right. And door you use with nouns, and literally it means because of. So whenever you're translating because of, use door. Because of that, I do that. Or because of that, I couldn't come to the meeting. Okay, and also mind that door also means by. For example, mijn haar wordt door hem geknipt. This is a passive construction. My hair is cut by him. So if you see door, it doesn't always mean because of. All right, it can also mean by. All right, goed. And now want and omdat. So that's for the other cases when you're not going to use because of. Let's put two sentences here, the same sentence, and one is with want and the other is with omdat. Ik kom niet, want ik heb autoproblemen. And the second one, ik kom niet omdat ik autoproblemen heb. I don't come because I have car troubles. That's the first sentence, and the second means exactly the same. So, well, what is the difference there? Well, the difference is the structure of the sentence that follows the want and the omdat. Want, you're going to use to translate because, but with want, the structure of the sentence will remain the same as in the previous sentence. Like, ik kom niet, I don't come, because I have car problems, just like in English. However, with omdat, you see that the verb is put at the end. So that's the difference between want and omdat, and that's the first difference. And there's a second difference as well. You cannot start a sentence, a subclause, so that's a sentence that starts with want or omdat. If you're doing two sentences, if you're putting two sentences together, you cannot use want. So, for example, omdat ik autoproblemen heb, kom ik niet. Because I have car troubles, I don't come. All right. In that case, you're not allowed to use want because two sentences, so the subclause and the main clause, and you start with the because. All right. So then you can only use omdat. So that's because. If you're interested in this word structure, in the sentence structure after omdat, there's another video you might find very interesting because it's about where to put the words in the sentence, especially with those kind of words. So feel free to click on the video that you see up there. So see you there and tot ziens!